Hey guys, today we're unboxing this nice package. It's quite huge, and this is the newest electric scooter from Xiaomi. It's just called the Electric Scooter Pro. We got this yesterday and haven't opened it yet. And as you can see, the sender actually made sure nothing says exactly what's inside. The whole side, from this side and this side, they're all covered with this paper, so it hides the actual contents. So let's first see what the actual box looks like. I'm gonna put it right here. Yes. The other side is the same, and even on the sides it's hidden. It just says electric vehicle and whatnot. Okay, so here we have a picture of the scooter. So they decided to hide the exact model of the scooter, maybe because they're afraid it will get stolen or something. But here it is, Mi Electric Scooter Pro. I'll turn this around because it seems like it's top to bottom right now. So I'll just flip it. It's quite big and heavy. Let's see if this is the same. Yep. The same stuff on this side. Okay, then. Let's see. Cruise control, energy, recovery, ABS, battery, safety, eco mode. Okay. Let's cut this real quick. Come on. Let's see. Some tape to be removed. Instruction: remove the scooter holder. Okay, take out the electric scooter, fasten. Yeah, that's the safety instructions. Okay, so here is the box as it looks inside. We have quite a big book. Quick start guide, I guess in many languages. Nothing to be easily removed, so we will continue with this. Definitely not an easy to remove thing, because the scooter is heavy and it's one piece. I'll let the box drop. So here it is. Let's take this and see. Okay. I'm not quite sure why exactly they decided to send it as just one piece, because it's quite inconvenient for taking out. But hey, that's what they decided. Even the handlebar is connected already. Oh, it has nice touch. So the handlebar should be like this. Let's see if we can connect it real quick. We have to push the cable inside and then, okay. I guess we need 4 of these. I'll just put one for now and complete the other a bit later, so we can take a look at the rest of the scooter. This one will just hold until we complete the initial review. Okay, we have some more stuff right here. So it says general range is 45 kilometers. Test conditions, which is very important actually, because if you really want to reach those 45 kilometers, you have to be 75 kilograms. Outside it has to be 25 degrees Celsius. And speed continuous riding at even speed of 15 kilometers. This is something that you never do. So yeah, 45 kilometers is just the maximum they could reach, I guess. It's not a real mileage. It's like with the cars, they say, well, with this car you will have 20 kilometers per gallon, or I don't know, 100 per gallon. But in reality, it's not that much. So okay, let's take this out. The tires are 8.5 inches. They are pneumatic, which means you have to pump them from time to time. Here is the vent. The battery is 12.8 amp hours, which is almost double the previous one, so it's quite a lot. Let's see. It looks quite nice. I don't really like the mounting of the Xiaomi scooters, because they are known to be a little bit fragile and break from time to time, especially if you are, for example, a bit heavier. But let's see, I don't really see how to actually walk it. I guess there is some way. I will have to study this as well. But yeah, it's a nice scooter. You set it up like this and it's ready to go. Let's put it down and just turn it on. Yep, it has quite a nice screen. Right now it's on Eco Drive. Okay, when you put your front light on, there's also one in the back. Okay, now it's on Sport, Eco, D, I don't know, maybe Drive and Sport. These are the modes the scooter has. So let's turn it off. This is quite nice. Thank you very much, Xiaomi, for including a bell, which costs $1 maybe at most. So okay guys, that's it. We'll be testing it and we'll see how it goes. Bye!